Hello everyone, it's Miss Precious from One Fancy Teacher Learning Hub. So this week we are going to be exploring some more consonant blends. Are you excited? Let's go for it. So before we begin, we are going to sound the 21 consonant letters. Let's go. B, k, d, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, q, r, s, t, v, w, x, y, and z. That was exciting, right? Yes, I know. So next we're going to read some of those words that have the consonant blends in them. Like burr. We have words like broom, break, and brother. Broom, break, and brother. You find in words like cry, crab, and crayon. Cry, crab, and crayon. Dir. You find it in words like dry, dress, and drag. Dry, dress, and drag. Next is grr. Grr. You find it in words like grass, grab, and grow. Grass, grab, and grow. So I'm going to tell you a short story. Now I want you to look out for the consonant blend gr. The title of my story is Crabs Grow Too. Cram the crab lives in a pond with 5 friends. On Fridays, he and his friends go fishing in a nearby ocean. They always stop at the fast food trash can on their way back to get some fresh fruits. The friends were frightened after they caught a giant crab that bit one of them. "I didn't know crabs grow too," he said. Wow, were you able to find some consonant blends? Great. Now I want you to go over the story again and underline the consonant blends you can find. Here we have our sentence formation. The first word we're forming sentences with is the word crab. Crab. The crab is big. The next word is dress. Dress. I like my red dress. I like my red dress. Good. The next one is broke. Broke. I broke her cup. I broke her cup. Good. And the last for today is green. Green. Do you have a green pen? Do you have a green pen? Do you have a green pen? Now it's your turn to form simple sentences with these words. The first one is fry. Fry. bread, bread. And the third one is brother, brother. Good. I hope you enjoyed the class today. Until next time, bye-bye.